I'm wondering, is it possible for me to make $200 today? Oh wow, I just had to wake up from my thoughts. I'm wondering, is it possible for me to make $200 today? Today is December the 23rd, and everybody is out here. Even their mama, their grandma, their dog, their cat. I ain't even seen a chicken. Nah, I'm just playing. I ain't seen no chicken. But I got Uber Eats and Spark on, and I'm just sitting here in a parking lot waiting on some orders, hoping I can make some good money today. So we'll see. Can I make $200 or more on this December the 23rd? Yesterday, I made $113. It's not what I wanted to make, but hey, at least I made a little over $100. So I'm just gonna sit here and wait until I get an order from Spark or Uber. Sit here and wait patiently. So I will see y'all when I get a Uber Eats or Spark order. All right, y'all, I'm back. I received an Uber Eats order for $15.69. It's 2 orders, and it's for 14.9 miles. Ugh. But you know what? I was just sitting, so I was like, oh well, might as well take it, get out here and do something, make some type of money. So let's go in here in Chipotle and pick up this first order. Yo! Do you have an online order? Yeah. You can come in and pick it up. Okay. What's the name? Or what's the name for your order? Tavia. Can you help them set up the line the rest of the way? So if I get another order, just knock on the door? Yeah, because our line was down this morning, so we're in the process of like fixing it and setting it back up so we can unlock and open all the doors and stuff like that. Okay then. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, y'all, we are here at the second drop-off. Core Life. About to pick up this order for Kevin in. Me? You ready? Let's go. Yes, for Kevin in. Here you go. Thank you. Alright, y'all, we're here to drop off the order for Tavia from Chipotle.
We the children of light, and we will never let up, never giving up fighting. We didn't make it through the night, yeah.
Take a photo of it.
Calling all night, but keep your head up, Charlie. We were made for this life, yeah. Wait to see how we rise up. We've been down for too long, waiting for a come up. Better days around the corner. All the pain made us stronger, yeah. We aim for the long run, keep on surviving.
Alright, y'all, we got that dropped off. Let's go to the second drop off. Alright, y'all, that order got dropped off. Just want to share a little of my thoughts. I feel like today is not going to be a $200 day. That song that says you need to cut it, yeah, I think I'm gonna need to cut it today, because oh my god, I'm not even getting those Spark orders. I'm just really thinking about going to my husband's sister's party, and that's what I just might do. Oh, hold up, got a Spark order. Hold on. Let's see what it is. Can I get it? $10 for 5.3 miles. No, 3 drop-offs. No, not worth it. No, we're not doing that. Hell no. So we got 6 minutes till this next drop-off, but I think I'm gonna have to cut it today because my gut's telling me Nicole, it's not going to be a $200 day. So if I do cut it, I will fill y'all in on my husband's sister's birthday party, and I'll take some, pictures and show y'all what went down. So if I do end up cutting it, I will let y'all know. Alright, y'all, we are here to drop this order off for Kevin. Alright, we got that order dropped off. Alright, y'all, I'm back. And I think I'm just gonna call it a day. I'm just over here thinking to myself, Nicole, you just need to go ahead and listen to your gut. You're not gonna make that $200 mark today. So I'm just listening to that song in my head that says you need to cut it. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut it. So, in today, I made $15. I am really embarrassed to say this. $15.69 with Uber Eats. Wow. Shaking my head. But you know what? Can't be mad at it. Everybody's out here spending their money on some Christmas shopping. So, can't be mad at it. People gotta do what they gotta do. But, I will enjoy my day because I'm gonna go with my husband to his sister's birthday party. And like I said, and I'm gonna make a promise, I'm gonna get y'all some snapshots, some pictures, some clips of the birthday party. I don't even think I'm gonna go out tomorrow because I feel like, it's gonna be slow as well. So I will see y'all next week. So So y'all have a Merry Christmas. And yeah, have a Merry Christmas. I'll be out before New Year's Eve. So y'all have a Merry Christmas. Until later on, I will see y'all in a little while. Alright, y'all, I am back. We are headed to the birthday party. We got a couple of hours till we get there. Just want to give y'all an update. So, I end up making $22.69 on Uber Eats instead of $15.69. I had a base pay of $6.69 with a $16 tip. I will see y'all when we get to the party.